Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be showing you how to use the voiceover feature in CapCut. This feature is perfect for adding commentary or narration to your video projects. So let's get started. First, open up the CapCut app and create a new project by using your video. I'll choose this video and tap on Add. Now to add the voiceover to this video, just tap on Audio. On the right side, you can see there's an option for Record. Just tap on it, tap on this button and speak into the microphone. This is the voice recording that I'm doing for the video. This can be used for adding the commentary or narration to your videos project. Again, tap on this mic icon to stop the recording. Now I'm going to play the video. This can be used for adding the commentary or narration to your videos project. You can trim it, just tapping on it, and the split. And tap on this one to delete this part. Again, there's some silent at this point. Select this and delete it. To zoom out and tap on this and place it right here. Do the same with this one. Just tap on it and by holding it, move it to your desired location. You can also adjust the volume of your voiceover. Just tap on it here and increase the volume. This is the voice recording that I'm doing for the video. And once you're happy with your voiceover, it's time to export it and share your video. On the top right, select the resolution of your video, and once you're happy with it, just tap on export. This will start exporting your video. And once it is exported, you can share it directly from the CapCut to any other social media platform. And that's it for this video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to use the voiceover feature in CapCut. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.